Hello guys, new coins today. I want to share with you a lot of silver on this table, right? But before we start talking about this, I want to say two words about my channel, about what I'm doing and my plans and so on. So I don't have many subscribers, as you see. I have maybe 55 subscribers, but this is not my task to have 1,000 subscribers. I know to do this I need to have full-time job. I have jobs. This is my hobby. I'm not spending much time on this, but even with this time, I ask you if you can share with your friends, you can promote my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate every vote here. So what I try to say is that I am like 4 or 5 years silver collector, and I see a lot of channels when people talk about American Silver Eagle, Maple Leaf, and so on. That this is the best 10 coins to collect. This is the best. Bullshit. I am telling you, bullshit. Never listen to crowd. Crowd is always wrong. Yes, you need to basically make your silver to dollar ratio better. Yes, I don't understand it. And I also collect generic silver and silver bars to make my silver price lower. But never forget about premium silver, low premium silver, because it will be a good deal for you. A good deal for you. Let's say this is equilibrium coin, and there are only 10,000 coins like this. Maybe no one pay attention today, right? They started in 2018, now 2019. No one pay attention, but only 10,000 coin. When they will be gone, and people will recognize, oh yeah, I want this coin, right? The first years of this coin, maybe they will have five coins like this. The first year will go crazy. The first year this coin will go 3-5 times, and the second year maybe go 2 times, of his today value. And today value is $21. So, do you want to spend $21 on American Silver Eagle, or you want to spend $21 on this beauty, the butterfly? Look on this. Look on this beauty. It's not better to spend $21 on this than $21 American Silver. This is what I never understand, people who just just buy whatever others say. You need to have your mind, okay? I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm telling you what I do, okay? And I have my mind, and I do collect premium coins with low mintage, and I will keep going it, okay? Because this is a good spot. This is a good spot to be, and with the time you want to keep it, you can keep it and you can share with your friends. Not like I have American Silver Eagle, one coin, you can show him, that's it, because you have 1,000 of them. But you can show them really nice collection, and your kids, your family will appreciate it, and it's fun. So it's everyone win here. Everyone win here. And if 3-5 years you want to sell, you can sell it. Okay, so this is just what I want to share with you. My channel is usually short, so I try to keep it short. So these 2 coins I got, it's equilibrium. It's a proof now, okay? So one of my channel, one customer on my channel, he said, why not collect proof? And that's what I did. Basically, I have already these 2 coins. Look on them. Let's see all 4 together, if I'm able to do this. Let's see the difference. So the right side, you can see the proof, and left side, you can see non-proof. You see they're very similar, very similar. Maybe this is a little bit glossy, and you see also, yeah, I don't see really big differences here, but let's turn it another way. Another way, and you already can see that this is frozen, right? You see the Elizabeth is frozen and this is not. I think this is the biggest difference between them, because these 2 I see exactly the same, maybe a little bit glossy, so not a big difference, right? And the price it's also $1-2, $21, $23, $24 like this they go, okay? So it's nice to have proof and non-proof versions. Okay. So next one, Germania. So let me first show you what I have. These 2 coins I have. And this is this one coin from this side is allegories. Yeah, it's allegories. This is one of the best coin on market. I know it's going crazy. I grabbed it like 30 bucks. A very cool coin. And this is just was the first strike of this coin. It's also cool coin, right? And Germania. From the back side, they're also different. I think this was a first attempt. Now I get what I get. I get oak leaf. Yes, I get oak leaf. It's not a really cheap coin, but this is what makes it unique, the Germania. And it's very similar to this. Very similar to this coin. So I like these Germania coins. I don't overpay, you know, for some crazy prices, but up to $30 I'm okay. Especially I see the good potential with this coin. Okay, very cool. Oak leaf. Okay, I think they have now proof version even. So I'll think about this. Next one, I have this Mammon. Alright, I already have one coin like this. Giants of the Ice Age. Yeah, this is the first coin in this collection, and I have already one. And I was thinking, you know, I bought another one. Especially they're going cheap. They go like $25. So Republic of China. Very cool coin. Yeah, you see here they have first year of collection. They will have 7 more. Yeah, grab it. It first year will always be expensive. Okay, next one. I have this Barbados. Wow, that's it, just wow. Every time I look on this backside, it's just wow. Yeah, that's coins like so attractive, so cool looking. 25 bucks they usually cost. So I have Leonfish. And I was thinking, okay, it's supposed to be some extension, right? And this is what we got. We got extension from the same mint. Let me open it. The good thing it go in capsule already. Oops. Good thing it go in capsule. So this is a flying fish. Flying Fish 2019. Beautiful coin. And this what make it so unique. Barbados, $1. Grab it, guys. Very nice coin, very beautiful, very collectible. And I think this was the first strike, and this is the second one. So we have 2 already. Next one. Next one is a replica. This is a replica. Yes. This is a proof round Nobo nickel replica. The Fishman. I have one coin of this, and I was looking on these coins, and I think they are collectible coins. They are going very well. I saw on eBay they're going like 40 bucks. And I bought the last one, I believe. And how many mintage? They have 10,000 only mintage, and they came in capsule. And they usually produce. Here I have this part. I have the authenticity. You see, they usually produce between 500 and 10,000. The Fishman. Limited edition. And yeah, I like when it has authenticity, that what you have. And I believe on the back side, yes, on the back side here you can see, the number of how many produced. You see, very maybe hard to see here, but it's a number 2016 from 10,000. It has this number. Very cool coin. I have feeling about this coin. It's not easy to sell, but it's a good buy.